In this lab, we'll explore one of the most common data job types in machine learning workflows, a batch processing job using AWS Glue. By the end of this exercise, you'll know how to transform stored datasets from CSV to Parquet format using a Glue ETL job, preparing them for downstream machine learning tasks. Let's start by navigating to the Amazon S3 console. Here, we'll create a new S3 bucket to store our input data. Once the bucket is ready, upload a sample CSV file containing data such as customer IDs, ages, and purchase totals. This file will act as the raw input for our batch job. Next, navigate to the AWS Glue console. In the data catalog, create a new Glue database. This will serve as the logical container where metadata for our datasets will be stored. Now, let's create a Glue crawler to automatically discover the schema of the CSV file we uploaded. Point the crawler to the S3 location of your data, and choose the database we just created as the target. Run the crawler and wait for it to complete. Once finished, verify that a catalog table has been created representing your dataset. With the data cataloged, we're ready to create a Glue ETL job. From the Glue console, choose ETL Jobs Add Job. In the Glue Studio Visual Editor, add the source. This is the catalog table created by the crawler. Next, add a transformation step. For this demo, we'll simply select all records without modifying them. Then, configure the target, choose S3 as the destination and set the output format to Parquet. The results will be written back to the same S3 bucket where we uploaded the input file. Now, run the Glue ETL job. Once the job completes, return to your S3 bucket and verify that the Parquet file has been created. This confirms that our ETL process successfully transformed the CSV data into a columnar format suitable for analytics and machine learning. This concludes the batch processing portion of the lab. Remember to delete any resources you created, such as the S3 bucket, crawler, and Glue job, to avoid unnecessary charges. Through this exercise, you've learned how to build a simple AWS Glue ETL pipeline that reads raw data from S3, catalogs it, transforms it, and outputs it in an optimized format, a foundational skill in any machine learning data engineering workflow.